we're going to show you 3 amazing things that you can do in just 5 minutes. That's right, just 5 minutes. First up, making a quick, healthy smoothie. And done! A nutrient-packed smoothie all in under 5 minutes. Now let's switch gears and tickle the ivories by learning to play a nice tune on the piano. See? You can start your musical journey and learn a catchy tune in less than 5 minutes. Last but not least, did you know that you can actually create a fully functioning WordPress website with Elementor hosting in 5 minutes? And voila! In just 5 minutes, you'll have a website ready to be edited to your liking. Simple, fast, and incredibly efficient. So there you have it. 3 things that you can do in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. And if you're interested in setting up your website in a jiffy, check out Elementor Hosting. Till next time!